screaming like, ooh, ooh, ooh. $100,000. How much you made? $100,000. How much you made? Made $2 million off of me. Tell you ain't no roll like, ooh. Hey, get out. It's sitting by the overcoat, the second shelf, the note she wrote that I can't bring myself to throw away. And I also reached the set for no one else but you won't turn away when someone else is gone. I'm sorry about the attitude I need to give when I'm with you, but no one else will take this shit from me. And I'm so terrified of no one else but me. I'm here all the time. I won't go. Yeah, it's me. Yeah, well, I can't get myself to go away. Hey, it's me. And I can't get myself to go away. Oh God, I should feel this way now. Reach down your hand, pick up my hair, pour out some hope for me. It's been a long day.
Oh, get the fuck.
Always saying that right, I know hold your hand, won't stop out. Just keep you trembling. It's been a long day. Always saying that right. Well, I'm surprised if you believe in anything that comes from me. I didn't hear from you, from someone else. And you're so set in life, man. Mom, I love you. Mom, I love you.
Already hustler, ladies man, of course a player. So say your prayers when I park the gator. Your neighbors suspect some suspicious behavior and ready to call your Captain Saber to come save you. But you're not in danger, cause I'm not a stranger. I just came for one night to entertain you. Came to your crib, I know it'd be a shame to waste this evening trying to be a complainer.
If you wanna know 20 inches of problems, what's right, that's what I mean. Be friends, see a bone. Someone getting that on, and I know we would be born. She didn't never let you know how I wrote on the phone.
Oh my gosh.
Watch me
Pissing me off,
outside. You're creeping my ride to my girl that I'll be at the studio live.
What the hell are you guys doing?
Even though I show up.
Oh my God!
Out the door before 5. Let me get inside. I wasn't talking about your drawers, I'm talking about your house. Cause that's the first step after I get in the door. You already know how the rest of the script goes. Me and you on the floor, your niggas gone. I think we can't drink liquor, linky. Sips of Henny, you so got you so far from sober. I'm man, hold love. You're fine, but I kinda feel you're trying to turn me on, showing designer. Panty liner, ever get